No. Okay, wait, I'm gonna fix this. Checking. Okay, we got this right, but we don't got this one right. Let's do this. We can do it. Ta-da! Hi, Ice Cube. What's up? Hydrate. Sure. Okay. I don't know what the was for, but hydrate, I can do that. I can absolutely do that. So OBS is like, how about I update right now? And I'm like, no. Um, yes. Good, good right now. Good time of day. I actually updated my background just a little bit. I don't know if anyone notices. I'll show you in a bit. So my hydration method of right now is not water, but hey, anything can be hydrating. If you choose it to be. Wait, where did I put that emote? The one where we hydrate. What? Wow. There it is. Okay. So for me it's tea actually. Ah. Wait, what happened? Oh, there it is. Okay. Here's me drinking tea, actual tea, but this looks like water. Ta-da. um Thank you. How am I doing? How am I doing? What am I doing? Who? What? Um I don't know who this awesome streamer is, but today was Ramadan day 8, right? I'm doing great. I have ruined my sleep schedule, so I should say goodbye to that. And I'm worried about how I will wake up in the morning tomorrow, or actually how I will stay awake at work. That one I'm more worried about because I can wake up for like suhoor, and I will eat, and then I will try to keep awake. Maybe not, honestly. We'll see how that goes. How are you doing? How's your life going? Um, yeah. So today is try number 2. Yesterday I failed at streaming. Today it looks like we might actually succeed. Succeed. Yes, that's the word. Because yesterday the internet was horrible. If you go run 10 laps now, you'll knock out very quickly. Oh yeah, that's absolutely true. Hmm. My plan is to sleep in the next like hour and a half. So maybe that like I'll end the stream and then will I have energy by the end of the stream? Probably. Okay. So. So. Oh no. You see, I should we make ourselves smaller or like here? So this box is supposed to be for me. But it's too small, isn't it? I made it today. I made myself a box. It's way too small. Like I'm bigger than this. Is this how's this? Is this like too tiny? I feel like it's too tiny. More courses. Yeah. Yeah. It is my personality. Courses. I think this size is fair, right? I made the screen bigger so that you can see this course. I think it looks cute. I like it. I tried to edit the old template, and it was uneditable, so I just recreated the shapes. Yeah, fair. All right. So actually, today is like unit 0. It's not even unit 1. So, um, we should do that. Yesterday, I introduced the course, and then everything died. So I'm gonna reintroduce the course because the stream just passed away, and I was like, I'm gonna private this. So we all know that Hugging Face has the list of courses that they teach, sort of. And the NLP course is the one that I was doing for the past since May 2024. So like for the past math. Let's do math. 7 plus 2, right? Or 3, 2. 7 plus 2, 9. Yeah, it was basically like full pregnancy. I did this course, even though I didn't finish it, sadly. I went like about 90%, and I'm happy there. I'm going to start the agents course, even though there's another course called the something course. I don't know. I feel like I'm not missing out if I do this one instead of the other one because this one's bigger. I don't know. So, yeah, that's my plan. Today is like day 0 of this course. And ooh, so here's the thing. I realized that Friday nights would right now it's a Saturday night for me. Friday nights, Friday evenings is a no-no for streaming. By the way, did you see? Oh, you can't see the thumbnail. You're on Twitch. Okay. The thumbnail is so cute. Should I show you? I'm going to show you. I'm really proud of the thumbnail. How can I find it for you? Hold up. I will show you the thumbnail. Because I didn't work hard on it per se. I'm happy about how it turned out. Ta-da. This one. I wore a monocle and a mustache. And it's this picture, but like with me. That's the thumbnail I made for YouTube. And like, it's live. Yeah, and I used Canva. Okay. Anywho, yeah, Friday nights I cannot stream. Mornings I have the time, but the energy. You know what? Friday mornings and Saturday mornings I should be able to do that. Shut up. Thank you. I think I should be. Yeah, I think I'm gonna move the time back to mornings and not nights because um I'll miss out on family time. I've said it before, but I want to prioritize family time than streaming, even though streaming means learning for me. Still, if I will say today, since the moment I woke up, which was like really late, 10:30 in the morning, till now has been family time. So I was like, I'm gonna take this 2 hours for myself. Yes, there. Anywho, so what is even an agent? Like, are we learning to become spies? Is this a course to help us become spies? No, AI agents. It just means something that can interact with the outside world, quote unquote, because what is the outside world, right? So let's learn about what this is. So I will pray that stream will be fine today. Let me check the status. Wow. Okay. My screen is stuck. It is not showing me anything. Status alive. Good. Okay. All right. I'm going to need to change my HDMI cable. I know that. But anyway, welcome to the most exciting topic in AI today. That is absolutely true. AI agents are literally like right now, the hottest topic. Agents. This free course will take us on a journey from beginner to expert, yeah, in understanding, using, and building AI agents. First unit will be an onboarding, discovering the course's syllabus, choose the path. Really? We're gonna take. I might need to do a BRB. Let me see. I hear voices. Okay, voices are gone. Okay. Choose the path we're gonna take, either self-audit or certification process. I want to do the certification process, but I don't know if it has a time limit. Let's see. Get more information about certification process and deadlines. Oh my god, there is a time limit. No, I'm so late. I'm like late by at least a month. Get to know the team. Create. I already have an account. Discord. Okay, let's get started. What do we expect from this course? In this course, we will build. Oh, there is no build. You will study AI agents. Okay, in theory, design, and practice. I would love to do that. Learn to use established AI. See this one, such as small agents. That one is a thing. There's a small thing. Okay, so it's a course within a course. Nice. Llama Index and LangGraph. Have I heard of this one before? I don't know. Okay. Share your agents. Awesome. In the community hub. Participate in challenges. I would love to do that. evaluate my agents against other students. I already don't trust my agents. Let's see. Earn a certificate, please. Okay, we're gonna do this. This time I'm gonna study well. Like I'm gonna actually study and not be I wouldn't call myself lazy because I'm not lazy, but sometimes I just like give up. Does AI grow so fast you feel like you'd never catch up? Absolutely. Oh my god, I feel like I know nothing. Yes. Um, because like I got into machine learning and NLP in 2019. No, wait, 2017? Somewhere around that. And I feel like I'm running on a treadmill that is on number 10 and never stopping. You know, exactly that head in hand emote. Absolutely. Absolutely. I just became British because I'm so stressed. And literally, the reason I started streaming is like, I need to learn. I cannot stop learning. If I do, I'm gonna die. I'm not gonna die, but like, I'm gonna be behind, and I don't like that. I've said this before, but I have this unhealthy image of myself as I'm a smart person. And if I don't know something, then I'm not smart. And I'm like, who am I? You know? Yes. Yes. Oh, by the way, I think the screen size is fine, right? It's not small. Um, at the end of the course, we will understand how agents work and how to build our own agents using the latest libraries and tools. Sign up? Didn't I already sign up? Wait, I thought I did. I'm very sure I have because I keep getting emails that I'm ignoring. Yeah, I've definitely signed up using this thing. Mm, okay. We are respectful of your privacy. We collect email address to send you links. Exactly. Yeah. Yep. I keep getting updates that I have been ignoring because I was like, I'm gonna start soon. What does the course look like? The course is composed of foundational unit where you learn agents 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 concepts in theory, hands-on, where you'll learn to use established AI agent libraries to train your agents in unique environment. These hands-on actions will sec hands-on sections will be HuggingFace spaces. Right. With pre so you I've been running for 6 years exactly. I started with like my masters, and I've been I finished my masters like bajillion years ago, didn't I? And I'm too scared to go for a PhD because that means I'll have to not work, and I like money, so I'm gonna keep making money for the time being, and learn the way I am doing right now. Okay, I might need to do a BRB this time for real. We'll see. Hmm. I'll continue, and if I go BRB, I will go BRB. Um. Right. Use case assignments where you'll apply the concepts you've learned to solve a real world problem that you'll choose. I'd love that. The challenge. Ooh. Oh, I've been listening to Hamilton recently and I read that. I was like, okay. My brain went Hamilton. You'll get to put your agent to compete against other agents in a challenge. There'll be a leaderboard. Looking forward to that. Okay, to compare performances. The course is a living project. So it's like something you start and then you continue. Okay, evolving with your feedback and contributions. Feel free to open issues and pull requests in GitHub and engage. I might. The Hugging Face Discord server is so loud. It's like thousands and thousands of people, and I'm scared. Yeah. After you have gone through the course, you can also send feedback. Awesome. So the syllabus is um onboarding, fundamentals, fine tuning. Why is that a bonus? I want to do that. Framework, use case, final assignment. Huh. So right up until now, we have what? We have until 2 available. 3 and 4 are not available yet. All right. What I am curious about is how much time it would take, because I feel like, I feel like 2 hours a week is not enough, which is what I can give it, you know? Like, I feel like I might not catch up with people and things will be done. The people who are currently students. Let's see. So, prerequisites: basic knowledge of Python. I do have that. Basic knowledge of LLMs. Yeah, I bet I do. Oh, there's even a recap. All right. What tools do we need? Computer with the internet connection and a HuggingFace account. I have them both. You, huh? You put a deadline tomorrow. It'll end tomorrow? What do you mean? What? Okay. Certification process: participate as an auditor, as in like judge other people's assignment in all challenges and do assignments if you want. Okay. Earn certificate of fundamentals by computing number 1. Auditor is like just for funsies. And then I want to do that. I want to do a completion. I want to do everything. Let's see. If we audit, certification is completely free. Hell yeah. Oh, means you'll push yourself. Oh, okay. So if the deadline is tomorrow, then we can finish tomorrow. I mean, I have work tomorrow. But yeah, I could not sleep all night and then go and sleep at work. That's possible. To get a certification of fundamentals, unit 1. Okay. And then completion, everything. And then the course deadline. There's a deadline. Hi. May 1st. That is honestly, I'm not going to say that's doable for me, but it feels doable. I don't know how doable it is. We shall see. Okay. See, these are the questions I had and it's answering. So the pace is like 3 to 4 hours per week, meaning designed to be completed in 1 week. You're kidding. Each chapter. Oh, okay. I was like, the whole course? No, it's each chapter. I can do an hour and a half Friday, an hour and a half Saturday, and that's like 3 hours. But honestly, my pace is probably smaller, so I should shoot for like 2 hours. Okay. Okay, recommended pace. I am already late. Huh? It's March for me. No. Okay. Introduction to agents. Small agents. Lambda. So we're like here. Yeah. You know what? The fact that the fact that they have this recommended pace to the deadline, there's like at least 3 weeks. All right. Awesome. Join the Discord, do quizzes, try to keep on schedule. I'll do that. I'll do that. The people. Why no pictures? I want to see pictures. Do I know anyone from HuggingFace? I'm sure I've seen them at least. No. Huh, I don't. Okay. Jeffrey Thomas, Ben Burtonshaw. Nice. And so they are machine learning engineer, main instructor, and then machine learning engineer, make the course accessible for everyone. Awesome. And then Thomas Simon. Cool. Oh, they already have some other courses. Nice. See the community. Awesome. What the community will build, not the community. Okay. And then acknowledgements to those lovely people. If there's a bug, we should report it. Okay. Nice. And if there are questions, we should check here. Awesome. Oh, that's lovely. I'm guessing this is all AI. All right. So, Unit 0, Part 2. Oh, onboarding. I was like, what is this? Why this picture? Because good morning. It's not morning. What time is it, coffee? What time is it? Um, good evening. Well, you see, there's no such thing as good night. I've said this before. I'm gonna just say good late evening. That should work. Because it's past Isha. Maghrib and Isha. Maghrib is evening, Isha is night. It's past Isha. What is up? How are we doing? Do you feel any difference? Because I tried to make the background better. I don't know if it is better, but I tried. Mm. Hey, hi, hello. Muhammad is back. What's up? Welcome. I saw your comment before even the stream had started. Hello. We are like still in the early stages of this course. This is unit 0, not even unit 1. So I think there is no like actual information here. It's just like, okay, let's start. For example, like the deadline of the course is May. Anyone can take it, by the way. I recommend you guys take it as well if you like learning about AI agents, because there are certificates that are free and anything you can add to your CV. Why the hell not? If you feel like it. So yeah, we need a Hugging Face account. We already got him. Discord, I got him. I think I introduced myself. I don't know. I think I did. Anyway, follow the course. I mean, I signed up and I'm getting emails. Spread the word. The word. The word. Guys, here's me spreading the word about this course. I haven't taken it yet, but I like Hugging Face, so I should have them sponsor me. Create your Hugging Face. Oh, right, right. Yeah, I mean, I went to Discord. I'm very sure I introduced myself. And yeah, the small agents is also CS50. Nice. Yeah, CS50 is an awesome place to start. I'm glad you are doing that. Yeah. And I've been all over the place with learning, cuz there won't be a time where you're like, "Okay, I learned everything." That will never happen. So like accept that learning is a part of the journey, you know? But yeah, I wanted to say that coffee, small agents is a part of this course, I think. To their credit, they don't mention needing to do a server verification on their Discord, and they made sure you don't have to for the course channel. What is a server verification? Is it like I don't know what that is. Okay. Oh, if we follow this, will it send us updates? Let's do that. We're gonna follow. Ooh, 24,000 people are interested in this. Sometimes I'm like, why do I even try? Why bother compete with like thousands and thousands, tens of thousands of people? Anyway, it's not competing. We're just learning, okay? We're all students. Spread the word. Show support. The course repository. Oh, starring it? Sure. I'll do that eventually. Share your learning journey. Sure, I will happily share about it. I've been doing it. All right, I'm gonna download this. We are onboarded, and we start with. I don't need the Discord stuff. I already. Yeah. Yeah. I'm fine. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Oh, I was like, wait, how are you, me? Yeah, how are you guys? Do tell me, please. Even if I don't ask, I am, I do want to know. Because right now, today I had ice cream after I broke my fast, and I am fairly energetic. I wouldn't say I'm too energetic, but I'm pretty energetic. And I have tea with me today, no coffee. Haven't had coffee today. I did have it yesterday, so Anyway. Question. Did we watch this whole video? It's a live stream. Let's see. I feel like we just let's see. Okay. All right. They record their live sessions. I feel like it's not necessary, but let's see if there are any points that we might need.
And we are live.
I know what it feels like being live. Should I go on YouTube? Would it be better?
Welcome, everyone.
Bonjour.
Welcome to the first agent course live.
Let
me see.
Yeah, see, they are repeating the things we just learned about, honestly. I'm thankful for their existence. Yeah, I just went through all of this. See, I think the Q&A would be more useful for us. But I do want to see this part.
The first thing we want to do is to introduce ourselves. So my name is Thomas Simonini. I'm a developer at...
Oh, you watched it! Okay, so it's like a full skip. What time is it right now there? For me, it's like almost 9.
Advocate at HuggingFace, and some people know me in this live because I wrote the deep reinforcement learning course 2 years ago, and I also work on the AI in games part at HuggingFace, and currently I'm one of the co-creators.
So Coffee said skip it. I'm gonna skip it. But I might go back to the Q&A part. Like, what even the Q's and A's would be. Let's look at the Q's. Would you suggest... Okay, people who don't know Python. All right, other Q. Possible in French. Okay, the questions are very, very normal. All right, I'm going to skip this. I might watch it in my own time, but I'm not going to promise you that. Are we ready? Agents University. I'm guessing this is all AI. This is, we are in here. Let me close this one. Can we see? We are here right now. And how long have you been going live? Past 40 minutes? Oh, 30 minutes. Huh, okay. So Unit 1, an introduction to agents. I guess the question is like, what are agents, right? And let's see if that gets answered. So, welcome to the first unit where you'll build a solid foundation in fundamentals of agents, AI agents, including understanding agents, what an agent is and how does it work, how do agents make decisions using reasoning and planning, the role of LLMs, large language models, and agents, how LLMs serve as the brain behind the agent. Yep, that's true. How the LLMs structure conversations via messages system. Huh. Tools and actions. How... Okay, I'm gonna drink some tea. Cause I don't know. I've had this light cough the past like few days. It's not going to the level of like an actual cough, but I always feel like I have some what like cloth, like dust in your like throat. It's quite annoying. Okay, so how agents use external tools to interact with the environment, how to build and integrate tools for your agent. All right. Agent workflow is think, act, observe. Really? Wouldn't it be observe and then think and then act? Or like observe as if when it's happening? After exploring these topics, you'll build your first agent using small agents. Your agent named Alfred? Why? What if I choose a different name? Will handle a simple task and demonstrate how to apply these concepts in practice. You'll learn how to publish your agent on Hugging Face Spaces so you can share it with friends and colleagues. Colleagues, I will be sharing that with you. Y'all are my colleagues. Finally, at the end of this unit, you'll take a quiz, pass it, Please tell me it's a redoable quiz. And earn our first certification. Okay. I love this. Why is this here? Oh no, wait. Hold up. I just realized if I get the certification, I'd rather get it as myself and not as Code Life, but I might get it as Code Life for the time being. I'll just do it on my own time again. The quizzes. This unit is essential. I mean, what? This unit is your essential starting point, laying the groundwork for your understanding agents before you move to the more advanced. Okay. Understanding what they are, learn about LLMs, study tools, learn workflow, code first agent, unit quiz. Oh, so we already try our first agent. Cool. It's a big unit, so take your time. Do not hesitate to come back to the sections from time to time. All right, are we ready? Let's dive in. It is a big unit that concludes with a quiz. Okay. I'm gonna have to update my schedule. Okay, tomorrow is a no-no, but like after tomorrow. Oh wait, no. March 10th is a no-no. Tomorrow is not a no-no, but it might be like a study with me thingy because I need to prep for March 10th. Okay. All right. So what is an agent? For me, agents are like spies. By the end, oh come on. It keeps saying you will learn this. Yeah, but tell me. By the end of the section, you will feel comfortable with the concept of agents and their various applications in AI. To explain what an agent is, let's start with an analogy. Big picture Alfred the agent. Meet Alfred. Alfred the agent. Everybody in the chat knows what Alfred is, right? Like as in why they named it Alfred, because it's the Iron Man thing, right? I think they let you specify the name for a certificate. I vaguely recall. I bet they allow you, yeah, it being answered in the video. Awesome. That we just skipped. No, I'm very sure that they do allow that. Most courses do like say what name do you want to be on the certificate, but like I want dough, yeah. I want CL and me to have the certificate, so I might just do 2 because I have my own HuggingFace account as well. Okay. I shouldn't talk about the fact that CL is not me, right? I mean, she is me, but like, not always. I'm not her, she's me. Got it. Okay. Does that make sense? Imagine Alfred receives a command. Oh, wait, Jarvis. Oh no, Alfred is the Batman one. Right, Jarvis is the Iron Man one. Oops, I'm out here telling you about my vast knowledge. But yes, Alfred is, yeah, you're right. You are right. Jarvis is the one where Mark Zuckerberg was like trying to recreate, right? Alfred Batman. Yep, you're right. Pennyworth. Alfred Pennyworth. Alfred is worth a penny? What? Okay. So, if Alfred receives a command such as, Alfred, I would like a coffee, please. Okay, I actually have an example. I've been watching a lot of car videos because I'm planning on buying a car. I think I've said this before. And there are some cars where there's a entertainment system inside it. And there are some cars that have this like open the window, turn on the AC commands. I feel like that's similar, right? Because like if I have an AI assistant at home and I was like, I'd like some coffee, I would assume my coffee machine is connected to it somehow and it can turn it on. And I'm guessing there are beans already in there because if there aren't any beans, then I have to put in the beans, you know? Anyway. All right. So here's our Alfred who apparently can walk. Okay. Because Alfred understands natural language, meaning human language, He quickly grasps our request. Before fulfilling our order, Alfred engages in reasoning and planning, meaning thinking, figuring out step by steps. Yeah, and the tools he needs to use. So go to the kitchen, use the coffee machine, brew the coffee, bring the coffee back. But also, like, there are probably a lot of error things. For example, if there are no beans in the coffee, if what else? The kitchen doesn't exist. I don't know. Okay, yeah, toolboxes. Okay. Once he has the plan, he must act to execute his plan. He can use the tools from the list of tools he knows about. In this case, to make a coffee, he uses a coffee machine. He activates the coffee machine to brew the coffee. Indeed. Whoa, this is really pretty. Execute. The coffee machine is the only thing that is not a part of the background. Isn't there a coffee machine in the background? Like even a mocha. Like you could make coffee with this. Hmm. Hmm. No coffee machine in the background. This is a water thingy, right? Anyway, too many water jugs. Um Finally, Alfred brings the freshly brewed coffee to us. Thank you, good sir. And this is what an agent is: an AI model capable of reasoning, planning, and interacting with its environment. By the way, environment can also be it's like cell animation where the things. Hey, you're right. Oh my god, yes. Oh, it was watercolor. I remember in like Tom and Jerry when something was like a bit more bright or like it felt highlighted. It was like, oh my god, they're gonna use that. Like maybe it's a door, maybe it's like a pan to fight with. It is like cell animation, absolutely. These two are the only things that have been put there by us. Mm, yeah, or even like Bugs Bunny. What else? Oh yeah, like even like Snow White or like Cinderella, Beauty and the Beast, all of that. Mulan. I'm guessing Mulan is more modern because like I'm guessing they stopped doing that because it's too obvious. Oh my god, have you guys seen the videos on YouTube where they not draw but like I guess draw the oh god I forgot the name of the Japanese animation, the body horror one. They're they're like coloring the background and it's so detailed. It starts with Akira, right? Yeah. Okay. I think that's the name. And I have not seen that movie for some reason. I've watched every Japanese animation out there except for that one. Did I get? Yeah, Akira. There. Yeah. Thank you for confirming the name because I was not sure. Yeah. I'm guessing it's not no, not Attack on Titan. No, that's not Akira is like movie. Attack on Titan is anime series. But the um it's not something I can watch with like kids. And most of the time I watch animation with kids. So it's something I'll probably need to watch by myself. Mm. Anywho, we call it agent because it has agency, aka it has ability to interact with environment. Also, environment being like my guess is that even like 3D environment, computer environment, like for example, Claude has this private application that can use your computer if you give it the agency, and even that is an environment. Yeah. So it thought and had a step-by-step plan. It did use the tools. Where's step 3? Wasn't there like a think, act, observe sort of thing? Didn't the observing happen? So let's make it more formal. Now that we have a big picture, here's an actual like description. An agent is a system that leverages an AI model to interact with its environments in order to achieve a user-defined objective. It combines reasoning, planning, and the execution of actions, often via external tools to fulfill tasks. Okay. Should I be proud that I get ads? Like, did I make it? Bot, not ads, like bots. People who chat. Timeout. You're in timeout, buddy. Okay. So, think of an agent as having two parts. An agent has two parts: the brain, the body. The brain is the AI model, like the LLM, and the body is the if it was a robot, why can't I talk today? If it was a robot, the actual body would be the body, but it's not always something that interacts with like physical space. Sometimes it is digital space, right? So this is where all thinking happens. The AI model handles reasoning and planning. It decides which action to take based on the situation. So the AI is the brain, the thing that plans for it, but it cannot execute, right? And the body is the part that represents everything the agent is equipped to do. So, like, I don't know if anybody here has done Android development, but there's something in Android development that's called intent, and you create an object and then you call it. Sorry. When you call it, the intent is most of the time like another interface that you open. So I feel like that part for me, like that agent feels like that because it does stuff. Bad explanation, but my brain thinks of it that way. The scope of possible actions depends on what the agent has been equipped with. For example, because human lacks wings, we cannot fly, right? But we can walk, run, jump, grab, and so on. Talk. Oh yeah, even talking is like interaction with the environment. What type of AI models do we use for agents? The most common AI model found in agents is an LLM, large language model, which takes text as input and outputs text. But you can have it not be just text. You can have a speech to text model, ASR, which is automatic speech recognition, ASR. That takes your words, turns it into text, gives it to the language model, and then a text to speech model that does the other way around. Like you can make it cooler if you want, and all of these are things that are available that you can just use, mostly for the English language, obviously. But yeah, other languages also have tools. Well-known examples are GPT-4 from OpenAI, Llama from Meta, Gemini from Google, Claude from Anthropic, DeepSeek from DeepSeek? Is there a company? I think there was a company. Anyway, these models have been trained on a vast amount of text that oh yeah, Gemini is yeah, right, sorry, my brain. Okay. Are able to generalize well. We will learn more about LLMs in the next section. Awesome. It's also possible to use models that accept other inputs as the agent's core model. For example, vision language model, or OCR, right? VLM. Oh, wait, no, it is still a language model. Understands images as input. We'll focus on LLMs, discuss other options later. Okay. How does an AI take action on its environment? LLMs are amazing models, but they can only generate text. However, If you ask a well-known chat application like Hugging Chat, such a thing exists, or ChatGPT to generate image, they can. How is that even possible? The answer is that the developers of Hugging Chat and ChatGPT and similar apps implemented additional functionality called tools that the LLM can use to create images. Yeah. Oh my god. Tower, Eiffel Tower made of broccoli. Nice. Mm, yes, so the image part is a tool. Han Zhao DeepSeek AI Basic Technology Research. Doing business as DeepSeek. Han Zhao? Chinese AI company that develops large language models. Thank you for searching. Company is just DeepSeek. Hedge fund is High Flyer. Awesome. I don't have enough information to understand what that means, but that's awesome. mm, okay. What kind of tasks can agents do? An agent can perform any task we implement via tools to complete actions. Awesome, awesome. For example, if I write an agent to act as my personal assistant, like Siri, on my computer, and I ask it to send my emails to my manager asking to delay today's meetings, I would never do that. What I would do is write an email that tells my manager to delay today's meetings. I review the email, and then I think about sending it. Hangzhou is, oh, the city. Oh, nice. I know that when the guy went back, the city sorry. See, my screen is flickering. That's why I couldn't read it well. But thank you. Um when the I watched the Cold Fusion video about the creator of DeepSeek. He's a smart guy, but when he went back to his city or like place of birth, they celebrated him, and I was like, good for him, honestly. Yeah, because he's been working in AI since like the market crash, which is like, again, good for him, honestly. Do you remember like a few months ago me being so scared of DeepSeek, and right now I'm like, good for them. People change. Anyway, I can right. So we can give some code to send emails. This will be a new AI, a new tool the agent can use whenever it needs to send an email. We can write it in Python, really. So like we can have like a rule-based situation where we talk about sending an email. It can call this function. Okay, that feels really like rule-based, basy. But I guess because a person will say it in a bajillion ways of like notify my manager using Outlook. Like that has nothing to do with email, you know? Mm. The LLM, as you'll see, will generate code to run the tool when it needs to, and thus fulfill the desired task. Send message to manager and discussion. Nice. The design of the tool is very important and has a great impact on the quality of your agent. Some tasks will require very specific tools to be crafted, while others may be solved with general purpose tools like web search. Oh yeah, web search is like what the companies have, right? Note that actions are not the same as tools. Ah, actions are not tools. Good to know. Oh my god, I fixed the flickering of my screen. Yay! um, now I can read chat better. Um, an action, for instance, can involve the use of multiple tools to complete. Oh, an action might need multiple tools to. Okay, got it. Hmm. Following an agent or interact with his environment allows real life usage for companies and individuals. Example 1. Personal virtual assistant. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant work as agents when they interact on behalf of users using digital environment. Okay. So what I have used is on Samsung phones, there is a thing called Bixby. I'm worried if I call it, it will come up. Or Google Assistant. Both of them actually work. If you go to your settings and make it like have access, you can say turn on flashlight. You can say turn on. Can you say turn on camera? I haven't done it. I'm sure you could, but like this is like actually interacting with a digital environment. That's cool. So they take users' queries, analyze the context, retrieve information from databases, and provide responses on or initiate actions like setting reminders, sending messages, or controlling smart devices. I have not done any of those, but yeah, these are all actions that are doable. Cool. Example 2. Customer service chatbots. Those are very useless, aren't they? Many companies deploy chatbots as agents that interact with customers in natural language. I think they've gotten a bit better, but like recently, before that, they were quite useless. These agents can answer questions, guide users through troubleshooting steps, open issues in internal databases, or even complete transactions. Their predefined objectives might include improving user satisfaction, reduce wait time, or increasing sales conversion rates. By interacting directly with customers, learning from the dialogues, and adapting their responses over time, they demonstrate the core principle of an agent in action. There was a famous TV news thingy in the US a few years ago where they covered a story that involved Alexa. I saw that! Yeah. It was actually, I don't know if any of you listened to I've talked about this. Yeah. The Lateral podcast with Tom Scott. Um, it was like one of their recent questions was this one, where the guy said like order something, and it had ordered for so many people because it had listened in the background. Yeah. Thousands. Yeah, you're right. And then reporting on it had the same issue exactly. So it happened like multiple times. um I don't know if there's like a, because I feel like my phone recognizes my voice when I call for Google, but I don't know, because it does this thing of like call me like 3 to 5 times so that it recognizes your voice. But I'm guessing it might work with anybody. Honestly, I don't know, because it would be useful to recognize a few people's voices, save them in the settings. Ooh, AI non-playable characters in video games. That has been something that I'm guessing is on the rise, right? AI agents powered by LMs can make NPCs more dynamic and unpredictable. Is that a good thing? Instead of following rigid behavior trees, they can respond contextually, adapt to player interactions, and generate more nuanced dialogue. This flexibility helps, but there has to be limits. Otherwise, it's going to be interesting. Lifelike, engaging characters that evolve alongside the player's actions. Okay. All right. To summarize, I'm gonna probably end this stream after this page um because yeah, it's been almost an hour. Even though yeah. Anyway, I will try to, honestly, I'm curious about this course, so I will try to find a better schedule. But like this week, things are going to be a bit unsure. So, and even if I do stream, I might stream study with me, work with me stuff instead of this. But I really am interested in this. So, no, this week is literally impossible. Okay, to summarize, an agent is a system that uses an AI model, typically LLM, as its core reasoning engine to understand natural language, interpret and respond to human instruction in a meaningful way, reason and plan, analyze information, make decisions, and devise strategies to solve problems, interact with its environment, gather information, take action, and observe. Oh, okay. Result of those actions. Okay. So that part is like, I did this. Yes, my last stream was only 10 minutes because it cut off. And when it cut off, like the internet was horrible. When I was like, for the last 5 minutes of those 10 minutes, my dropped frame rate was like 90%. I could not stream. I was like, Friday night streaming, impossible. Because other people are using the internet. Like early morning Friday streaming, totally possible. No one is awake. But evening, no. Yeah. Now that you have a solid grasp of what agents are, let's reinforce our understanding with a short, ungraded quiz. After that, we'll dive into the agent's brain, the LLM. I'm gonna take the quiz. Okay. Let's see how many questions there are. After this quiz, I'm gonna go 6 questions. All right. Do not help me. But if you feel like helping, I'm not gonna stop you. Which of the following best describes an AI agent? An AI model that can reason, plan, and use tools to interact with its environment. Yep. A system that solely processes static text. Nah. Conversational agent restricted to answering queries, lacking the ability to form any. I wouldn't call it an agent. But like answering queries, wouldn't that be like a website? Online repository of information that offers static. I feel like it would be these two, but this one could be wrong. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah, wrong. Okay, it's the only number one. Got it. What is the role of planning in an agent? Why does an agent need to plan before taking action? Well, because I'm not looking at the answers. Because could I suggest maybe writing Yuki? I love her. She's live. She's been working on electronic projects. She's been a chat. I know who Yuki is. I am very much in love with with her. If that's all right with the chat, I would love to. I'm gonna finish this quiz and then we'll go there, and I'll try to be there for 10-ish minutes because I love her so much. Okay. To primarily store. Oh wait. So the planning is that so that we can use the tools. Or recall past. No. To decide, yes. To execute, no. To merrily, no. It's only that one. Got it. Merrily, no. Merely, merrily. How do tools enhance an agent's capabilities? Why are tools essential for an agent? Tools serve no real purpose. Tools severely provide. Wow. I can answer by only reading the first verb. This is not good. How do actions differ from tools? Actions are steps. Tools are resources. That's true. Actions and tools are identical. Nope. Tools are considered broad utilities. Actions are mistakenly thought to be? Huh? Actions inherently require use of LLMs to, whereas tools designed to functions, I guess. No, absolutely not. All right. That was a mistake. What role do LLMs play in agents? LLMs function merely. When it says merely, then it's wrong. As passive, okay. LLMs serve as brain, yep. Erroneously, nope. Considered irrelevant. Okay. And question number 6. Which of the following best demonstrates an AI agent? Static fact page? No. Frequently asked questions. Simple calculator. Virtual assistant. Video game. NPC? No. Okay. Ta-da! We did it. Congrats. Inshallah, next time we shall start from here. Yay. All right. Lovely people of the chat. So, we're gonna do a raid, but I'm gonna have to stop streaming, right? Yeah, okay. Because I'm like, how would it work with YouTube? I'm worried about YouTube because the raid is going to be Twitch only. So please join me in being really nice to Yuki because she's adorable, and if you can, do throw some cheese at her. Raid. Somebody give me Yuk. Did you give me the full name of Yuki? Yeah, right? It's Yuk. Well, let me double check. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Yes. Ah, okay. I think you I just give the name, right? Yeah. Okay. So thank you for being here and see you next time. Either continuation of the agents course or hold up. Was Oh, hi Michael. Hi and bye. I mean, see you next time, inshallah. Thank you for being here. And we're gonna raid on Twitch, but I'm gonna end the stream otherwise. Hi and bye. Yeah. So thank you and see you next time, whether it's a study with me thingy or it's a LLM agent thingy. All right. Raid is going to start. Yep. And I'm gonna stop streaming on my side. And goodbye.